Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on the More icon and select History. And here click on Clear Browsing Data. As you can see here, you've got basic and advanced options. So under basic, you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. Then under advanced, you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. Obviously mark those that you would like to remove, and then pick the time range. So you can remove data from last hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And I will pick all time because I would like to clear the browser fully. Then tap on Clear Data, and that's it. As you can see, the operation has been done, so congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.